Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I'll provide you detailed information how you convert foreign driving license in Denmark. It's very simple process, but sometimes you are receiving a lot of information. It's very complicated. So you just follow my tips and tricks and receive Danish driving license. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So first of all, I will provide you information which documents you require and where you collect those documents. So here, this is the official website of Citizen Service. If you have foreign driving license, no matter which country, your birthplace and where you take driving license, suppose for example, so I have an Indian driving license, two-wheeler and four-wheeler, and now I want to convert my driving license in Danish driving license. So you need to carry some of the documents like a valid passport and valid printout photo. Otherwise, Citizen Service also take a photo, but just only single photo they are charges 130 Danish krona. So you just carry the particular passport photo and passport photograph size and which types of photo you need to require. You just read those information here. The photo size is a 35 mm to 45 mm clear photo if you carry black and white and color, but like not more faint, not more blur. You just carry as a normal photograph and save 130 Danish krona. Next important parts come here. You need to medical certificate. So where you collect this medical certificate, you have yellow card. So you just call your doctor and doctor are book appointment for the specific as a eye test, and this medical certificate are providing you doctor. This validity is a 6 month and the price of this medical certificate is 600 Danish krona. You need to pay. This is not free. And then you book the appointment here, booking appointment for Citizen Service office. So suppose for example, I book the appointment Citizen Service office. As how you book appointment, you just type here your mobile number and you go on time 3:45 p.m. on 29th of December and submit the documents. Here is the office. You can come here for the driving license, meet ID. I already added the address and video description. Look at this here. For the meet ID, you can go here, and driving license remaining documents you can enter here. Just select English language. Yes. And your number are coming in this. Your medical certificate and old driving license, which country you have driving license, and they are asking you some of the question. You provide those information and you need to pay their 280 Danish krona is exchange. And then what is the next? What next is come here. They are sending your application for the approval point of view, traffic control or police station. And if the police are approving your application, then you eligible to apply as a theoretical driving test and then practical driving test. Before that, you don't book any kind of test or driving test. They are providing you all information if your application is approved in your home mailbox. So you receive your application is approved or not approved, and the time length of this application approved 6 to 9 months is very lengthy period. But meanwhile, they are providing you temporary license, and temporary license is valid the 3 months. After that, you can renew absolutely free. Focus on this important points and you can very easily get your driving license without join driving school. If you want, make driving license yourself. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Definitely I will help you. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.